here we are again. Augusta, Georgia. Home of the Masters Golf Tournament. Place where it never, ever snows. Look at this crap. That's WJBF, our local ABC affiliate. Covered in snow. And there is the Augusta Marriott. Look at the map. That is Reynolds Street. Ice over. They have now closed. Oh, and by the way, you hear all that snappity poppity? Yeah. Those are ice crystals pouring into my car while I have the window down. That is the obscene, horrible ice storm of January 2011. There you go. The curb, which you can barely even just recognize now. It's hard to say disguised, but it's well disguised. Horrible conditions. 30 degrees. It's not going to break the freezing mark until 3 p.m. this afternoon, and it's a 100% chance of precipitation until then. So, this is my dedication, sitting here in case my wife gets let off work, which, oh my God, she so should be, because she's not going to have any business, because no one that doesn't have to get out in this crap is going to get out in this crap. But, you know, Ferengi rules of acquisition, look at that. I'm enjoying it, trying to stay warm. Somebody else maybe get out and play with it. You only live once. That's it for now.